We are pleased to show you the 2016 2500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, fog lamps, tire pressure monitor. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated steering wheel, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, security system, MP3 player, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.